Are you facing the frustrating issue of a presentation that won't open in PowerPoint? Don't worry, we've got the solution for you. In this video, we'll guide you through troubleshooting steps to resolve this problem quickly and get your presentation up and running again. Right-click on the PowerPoint file that is not opening and choose Properties from the menu. In General tab, at the bottom of the window, check the Unblock option. Then click on OK button. Finally, try to open the PowerPoint file that you cannot open. If the same problem persists, then navigate to Next Steps. Open the PowerPoint application. Then click on Options at the bottom. From the PowerPoint Options window, choose Trust Center at the left and click to open the Trust Center settings. Choose Protected View from the left-hand side. Untick all the three options from the right side as shown here. Here we are disabling protection for computer from malicious content hidden within presentations. Then click on OK button. Now try to open presentation which was not opening. You can enable those three options later for security purpose. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update.